So it's mission day. It is your final check of airspace. Now, I'm a Part 107 pilot, which allows me to be part of FAA safety. Now, what is that? That is the FAA's notification capability. Say the president's coming to town, or there's a football game, or something that is going on that's going to give me a TFR, which is a temporary flight restriction. So you see how those acronyms are starting to play into effect? You're going to have to understand those too. A TFR is a temporary flight restriction, and that is for a period of time that you're not going to be able to take your drone in the sky. Now, I have my apps, and my apps will sometimes tell me that I can fly when I can't because a TFR is in place. So there's another one of my redundant features, is getting an email message saying, can I fly? My drone even has capabilities to have a geofence on it that says whether I can or cannot fly. So your mission day is the day that you're waking up, you're making sure that your airspace is clear and that you're ready to go.